Hello everyone! Let's talk about the top 3 things that you will get fined in another country. First in the list is sunscreen in Hawaii. Specific types of sunscreen containing oxybenzone and octinoxate are banned in Hawaii due to their harmful effects on coral reefs. These chemicals contribute to coral bleaching and damage delicate marine ecosystems. The ban aims to protect Hawaii's unique natural environment. Number 2. Littering. Littering is illegal and subject to fines in many countries, including Australia and Germany. These countries have strict regulations regarding waste disposal to maintain clean public spaces and protect the environment. Fines can vary depending on the severity of the offense and the local regulations. The goal is to encourage responsible waste management and prevent environmental pollution. Number 3. Wearing heels in ancient sites in Greece. Wearing high heels is prohibited at many ancient sites in Greece to prevent damage to the historical monuments. The heels can cause damage to the stone surfaces and delicate structures. Visitors are often encouraged to wear appropriate footwear, such as flat shoes or sandals, to protect these invaluable historical sites.